to the Mini Frugal Chef. Today we'll be making mango lemonade. It sounds amazing. So I really want to get started, but we can't get started until you press that subscribe button, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications bell so you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Now let's go. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of sliced mango, half a cup of freshly squeezed lemons, and 1/3 cup of sugar. So now you're gonna put everything in your blender, just like this. The lemon juice and the sugar. Now we're gonna blend our ingredients together. Now we're gonna blend. And just a tip, don't get scared if it's too thick, because later on we'll add some water. Okay everyone, so as you can see, my lemonade is done blending and you can see that it's thick. But don't worry, we're gonna add 1 cup of water. And you can blend it or just mix it with a spoon. I'm just gonna mix it with a spoon because it's easier. And you're gonna mix until everything's mixed together. As you can see, here in my jar, I added some ice just because I think that this lemonade tastes better with some ice, but this is optional. So now that my lemonade is mixed with my water, I'm gonna pour it in my jar with some ice, and it's ready to serve. Okay everyone, so as you can see, my lemonade is ready and it looks amazing. So now we're gonna serve it and taste it. Let's taste it. I'm super excited. Cheers! Yeah, it's definitely amazing. Totally recommend it. And the best thing is it doesn't have a lot of sugar, so it's healthy for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We do really appreciate it. As you can see, this recipe is super delicious. So I do really suggest you go and make it. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!